So in the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing some programs on strings, some predefined functions that we can use on strings. In this video, we will talk about a program in which we will convert a string which is in uppercase letters to lowercase letter, and the function which is used, the built-in function, which is strlwr. This is a function which is used to convert uppercase string which is written in uppercase to lowercase letters, right? But see, you need to take care of one thing. This is not, you can say, it's a standard function, right? Because on some compiler it is not going to run. It will give you an error like undefined reference to this function, right? Like str upper, this function also, and str reverse, str. Some functions are there which are we can use in older version of Microsoft C, right? These are not, we can say more precisely, if I say that, we cannot say these are standard C functions. So if it is not running on your system, maybe it's because of your compiler. It is not going to run, I guess, on GCC compilers, right? Now see, we will see this function as well as we will write down our own function. We will not use this function, and we will write down our own function, our own logic to convert uppercase to lowercase. So now, what I want, suppose a string is JENNY and I have written this in uppercase. So I want that the output should be in lowercase, JENNY. Yes, this thing you want. But suppose I input something like this, JENNY. These two are small. Then also obviously output would be, this J would be converted to small j, E is what? Small e. So no need to convert. As it is E, then N would be converted, this N would be as it is, and Y would be converted, right? And if I write something like this, Jenny 1 2 3, 1 2 3, these are numbers, these are not uppercase letters. So the output should be Jenny 1 2 3. Number should be exactly same. I hope you are getting my point. If you are using any special symbol, like I am using hash, in output also, we want hash, right? Because that is not any uppercase letter, it's special symbol. Or you use something like this, plus you are using, then here also I want plus, star you are using, then star should be in the output. Only we want to convert uppercase letters into lowercase letters, right? This we need to take care while we will write our own logic, right? Now let me write down the program. We will use that function strlwr, strlwr. Now what is the prototype of this function? This is defined in which library? string.h header file, right? So now it is going to take one argument, char, a pointer to string. This str is what? The string which you want to convert to lowercase, a pointer to that string. And what would be the output of this one? I mean what it will return? A pointer to the modified string, like char star, a pointer to modified string. Modified string is, suppose this is, I am taking str, and in str I have JENNY. This is what str, right? Obviously this str name is acting as a pointer to the string. So now it will return what? Now after converting, this will become small j, small n, and small y. So modified string. So it will return a pointer to this modified string. So simply you can print this str and you will get this output, right? This prototype of this is very simple, right? Now see how you will use this thing. If you use predefined function, it's very simple to write down this program. Suppose a string is, I am taking here, this string I am taking, right? So simply use strlwr, pass the name of the string, that is S1, this is S1, right? And simply print S1, that's it. And you will get Jayanti in small case letters. J would be small, T would be small, and other letters are already small, right? I guess you got it. But if you are not using this strlwr function, or if you want to convert lowercase to uppercase, then the function is strupr, right? but we are going to write down our own logic here. So here I am storing this something like this. This is a string. This is memory has been allocated. The character array is from 0 to 29, like 30 bytes memory allocation, in which we have Jayanti only, and after the completion of the string we have null character. So this is string, this complete is character array. S1 is name of the string which is containing base address of this character array. I guess that is fine. Now how to convert? See, we cannot, how you can convert? See, first of all think how you will convert. Obviously we will store this character using a character system. What is it? ASCII character system. In computer using ASCII character system, right? Fade ho gaya na marker. Let me refill this first. So now see, ASCII value of capital letters, capital A is 65, B is 66 and something like this. Z is having 90. Small a is having what? 97, B is having 98 and something like this. Z is having what? 122, I guess, right? Now see how you will convert, what logic you can write. It's not like that simply you can check if this is capital letter, convert it into small letter. We have to tell the compiler, we have to write down some logic, some maybe some addition, multiplication or something we have to do, some modification we have to do. So based on ASCII numbers we can do some modification, right? That is one way. See the relation, find out the relation between capital letter and small letters first of all, then obviously you will get the idea, right? So what is the relation? In 65 if you add 32 then you will get 97 and 97 is small a. Same in 66 also if you will add 32 you will get 98. In 90 you will get 32, you will add 32 you will get 122. So that's the simple logic you have to apply. If the letter is, any character is capital, just add 32 in the ASCII value and you will get small letter, right? But it's not like that simply add, access this character and simply add 32, access this, simply add 32. No, we have to check if uppercase letter then only add 32. Now this A is what? Small letter. If you will add 32 in this case, then you will get some other character, maybe some special symbol, and that's we don't want, right? So you have to put some condition also before adding 32. If any special character is there, like I am having here special character, this 1, I am having 1, Jayanti 1. So if you add 32 in ASCII value of 1, then obviously you will get some other, like 33 you will get, and that is ASCII value of some other special character, and that you will get in output. Then that we don't want. We want output 1 only. Only uppercase letter should be converted into lowercase. So you have to put some condition also. You got it? Now what condition we can put? See, obviously we will traverse one by one. We will see the character from here till null. I am writing here star, right? This is our string. I am modifying this string. Now we are going to traverse obviously from this to this. So write down a for loop. I would be 0 till null character. We are going to traverse the string. We are going to check the characters, character by character. We are going to check the string, right? So the condition should be S1 of I not equal to null. Till then we will enter into this for loop and we will do some modification. As soon as we reach to null, exit from the for loop and just print the modified string, right? So this should be the condition, and I plus plus, right? Maybe you can write down some condition in some other way also, like find out length of the string, and that you can put as a condition. It's not like that is the only way to put the condition here. That is only one way, right? There are multiple ways to write a single program, right? Now here what we have to do, we have to add 32 in these characters, but based on some condition. What can be the condition? If, have to check, if S1 of I is between A to Z, then only we are going to add 32. Greater than equal to ASCII value of A is 65 and S1 of I less than equal to ASCII value of capital Z is 90. If the character is between this to this, then only we will add S of I plus 32, and after adding store at S of I only, because we are going to modify this only, right? And that's it. And after this for loop, you can simply print percentage S and S1. Or if you say like we don't remember ASCII value of A to Z, that is also fine. You can simply write A and Z, but you cannot write here A because A is character, so write in single quotes A and here capital Z in single quote. Automatically it will check, it will take that ASCII value. That is also fine, right? Now I guess that's it. Now see, let me run this program. First of all, I is 0. I is 0. Now S1 of I, S1 of 0, S1 is this string, S1 of 0, index is this. Is this null? No. Not equal to null? Yes, condition true. Enter here. Now check. S1 of I, S1 of 0 greater than equal to A? J. Yes, it is greater than A. As well as you have to check this condition also. It should be less than Z, right? Otherwise, it will give some other output. So that is why I am using logical AND. Don't use logical OR operator, otherwise it will not give you correct output, right? So S1 of I 0, yes, it is less than Z. Both the conditions are true, then only we are going to enter. Then only it is supposed to be true because it is logical AND. If any one of this is false, it is false, right? Now S1 of I, S1 of 0, that is in J we are going to add 32. So whatever the ASCII value of J, there we will add 32 and we are going to store in SI. In SI, I is 0, same here we are going to store. So it becomes small j, right? I plus plus, I becomes 1, SI of 1, it is what? A, small a, not equal to null, yes, true, enter. Now see, S1 of 1, S1 of 1 is A, is small a greater than equal to this A? See now, here it is true, because small a is having ASCII value 97, capital A is having 65, yes, 97 is greater than what? 65, condition true? Yes, condition true. But again check, and this one is, now this is I. Now small a less than equal to Z. Z is having ASCII value 90. Is 97 less than 90? No, this condition is not true. So if any, this is true, this is false. So ultimately this would be false. So now we are not going to enter here. That is why I am saying use logical AND, not logical OR. If here you use logical OR, this condition is true, so it will directly enter here and it will add 32 in small a also, then you will not get correct output. So it is not going to enter now. Now I becomes 2. Now it will check for S2 and like this. I guess you got, now you can try run this completely at your own, no need to do this. And once you reach here, null, now the condition is not true, exit from the for loop and simply print S1, that would be modified S1, right? In star also it is not going to add anything because star is having some ASCII value that is not between A to Z, between 65 to 90, right? So it is not going to enter here and not going to add 32. So as it is, star would be printed at your at your output screen. That's exactly you want, right? Now let me run this program on my laptop. Okay, now let me create a file, string lower.c, right? Include header files. Then we will write what main function, and here I am going to take string s1 and size is 30, but I am not going to initialize here, we will be initializing at runtime. So, I am asking enter string, right, and we will use get s1, right. And now simply strlwr, this one name of the string is s1, just pass this function and simply print now string is, I am printing percentage s and name is s1, right, and that is it. Now, let me run this program and it should ask, see, enter string. So, I am entering string here in caps J, E, N, N, Y and right, and see, it is converting in small letters, right. Some are small letter and some are capital letter, which I am providing the input, right. So, now see, that is very simple to write down here, but let me write down our own logic here. We will not use this this function. So, a for loop I is equal to 0 and then s1 of what I not equal to, I guess, null, right. This is the condition, fine, and I plus plus, and within this for loop just check the condition if s1 of I should be what, greater than equal to, I am using a here, and logical and s1 of I should be less than equal to capital Z, right. It's now here in within this we are adding what, s1 of I should be equal to s1 of I plus 32, just add 32 and that is it. And after this for loop just print s1, and now obviously we have to take, before using this I, we have to declare int I, right. Let me run this now. Enter string, I am entering here 1, 2, J, E, N, N, Y and hash, then K, H, A, T, R, I. See, output you are getting same 1, 2, Jenny, hash as it is, and Khatri would be in small letters, right. So, that is it. So, in the next video we will see one more program on string. Now, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.